Hey y'all, I'm here with a sneak peek and a giveaway. It's the summer Equinox exclusive from 2 Chicks 1 Dip, and to enter you need to subscribe to this channel, follow me and 2 Chicks 1 Dip on Instagram, join the 2 Chicks 1 Dip Facebook group, and comment your name below for the drawing. I will leave links in the description to make it easy for you guys. Spoiler alert, I will be going over everything that comes in this bag, and at the very end there will be a full color reveal. I will give you a warning before that happens in case you want it to be a secret. Okay, first of all, value. You're getting a nail-fee sleeve, a cuticle oil, some decals from Spirit Art Designs, and you're getting a total of 5 colors, which we'll talk about now. This first one is called Tidal Moon, and it is a UV changer, which means it changes color in the sunlight. Up next is Scales and Tails, and that one is a foil dip. I'm Shallow is a solid shimmer. I Know a Secret is also a solid shimmer. And Sea Glass Sparkle is a chunky glitter mix. This cuticle oil is called Island Fantasy, and it smells like a coconut lime dream. In case you didn't see the note, my dips for this sneak peek are sample size, but the dips that actually come in your bag will be the full 0.25 ounces. You're also going to receive these decals from Spirit Art Designs. They're mermaid and ocean themed, and they're a navy blue sparkle color. You get this adorable nail-fee sleeve. This is handmade by Kara herself. Look at the sparkle through this thing. The color is so rich, the camera does not do it justice. It is so soft and adorable. Let me try this on. I have to try it on so that you can see what it looks like in a selfie. So let's see. Okay, she's adorable. Very cute. The quality you're getting here for the price you're paying is such a good deal. Okay guys, warning time. We're about to get into the color spoilers, so if you don't want to see those, go ahead and click away now. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you next time. Let's get into it. I personally would say these colors are mermazing. Yeah, you knew it was going to go there. Come on. I'm going to go ahead and show you this, which is indoors, and then I'm going to go ahead and take it outside and let you see what that sun changer looks like. Don't forget that these bags are limited quantities. The pre-order started on June 1st and it will release on June 21st, so make sure you grab yours before they run out. All this for $35 is a steal, and now Kara is giving you the opportunity to get one completely for free by entering this giveaway. The drawing will be on the 30th. I hope you guys have an amazing weekend. Bye!